I'm a math teacher.
Good morning.
Yes, you're my student, Jessica.
Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and hello Dr. Style. And today I'm going to be showing you the puzzle and we're going to be talk about the obby that I'm making. We're going to be make like a story. Come on, Jessica. Call me Nora.
Could you please change outfit?
Huh? Me? No,
Yes,
I am the math teacher. I am the math teacher.
But the math teacher is very ugly.
Don't judge me. Come here. We have to show the obbies first. Come here.
Okay.
Come to the obby. Okay guys, so I'm going to be making like we have to escape from the math teacher. So we have three characters, have Jessica, Stella, and me. So Jessica and Stella are going to be trying to escape this place, and me, I'm going to be the math teacher. So I have to do a voice like a BALDI teachers, yeah. So first is that you have to escape from the evil math teacher before you get caught. So I thought we're going to be recording today, but Jessica doesn't know how to answer what I'm going to be saying. So the first we have to get going to the school in the Japanese Iceland, and Jessica must be come too late to the class, and I'm going to take Jessica to the obby first. But don't go, just sitting waiting till I get Stella come to the obby. Then you two going to be run, and I'm going to, you two have to slow all the obbies. It has 5 stages, and I'm going to be go to you guys for a minute. 1 minute later, I'm going to be go to to punish you. You're going to be come again. If I punish you, you're not in the checkpoint anymore. You have to come and go again like Tower of Hell like this, okay? Jessica, you just have to, what I am saying, you have to say yes or no like a scare, because we're making like a story, understand? Also, yeah.
Asking you.
Yeah.
When you take me to the obby, I will say, why are you taking me? Where are you taking me?
Yeah. Like I am the first. I have to say that. Jessica, you come late, and I'm going to take you. You said, no, I didn't come late. You said that. Okay, and after I'm going to be take you to the obby here and let you just sitting right there. Don't go anywhere until I'm talking to Stella. So I come back to school and talk to Stella, solve the math, and Stella must answer the wrong answer because you and Stella must doing the obby. That's why, so I take the Stella come to the obby, and you two have to solve the obby. If I get you two, you have to come back to the first place and go again. That's the obby, what I am talking about. But if you win, it means I'm going to be lose you guys. And you only have 3 chances to win, because what if I'm going to get you two? And also we have 2 checkpoint. It's called the golden checkpoint. If you get the secret checkpoint, I'm going to be give you 2 pets. I call the dino's pets.
I don't want any pet as long as you win, because I don't want to beat you in a Tower of Hell. I hate obby.
Yeah, but don't forget that if you get the secret checkpoint, if you don't get the secret checkpoint, you don't get anything, just get a toy. That's what you do. I'm going to be follow. The first obby that I really made is called the don't touch the lava. So So first I said you have to escape from the evil math teacher before you get caught. Run. This means you have to go very fast as you can before I'm going to be cut you are. I have to count 1 minute, 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, I'm going to be count for you all. Okay, so the obby is very easy, guys, not hard. It's more way easy than the obby that made in Roblox. This is just a similar obby that I make. It kind of costs a lot of money too. But if you fall, you don't need to die. You just have to go to the wall. You see the glass barrier, and you have to jump again. You have to go again. Here's the checkpoint, and the next one said, be careful, don't touch it. You will burn to hot dog and did. It's kind of funny in the hot dog. Don't touch the red. It means you have to do like this, and I'm going to be watching if you touch or not. If you touch, go again like this. Okay, now the game not start yet. And the next one, sitting time. Don't choose the wrong chair. Will fall down. I thought I have a lot of friends to making this video, but I don't have many friends, so only 3 friends that get them. Some of them are not want to come to the part of video, and some of them are too busy. So I just get doing like this more better. You can. So the next one said you can do it. Don't fall. If you fall, you have to go again and again. If I catch you, you have to come back. Here's a pumpkin you can jump to. But don't go down here, because if you go to the down there, you will fall and you have to reset. So it says, gosh, it's lava down there, be careful. This one is the last 5 stage. Don't touch the lava, and look at the nuke bit. Oh my god, it's really scary. So now we get into the win time. Oh god, it's so hard stuff. Ta-da! If you win, this is the place that you win. Get a checkpoint, get some food your river, you can sleep. And don't forget to going to get the secret checkpoint. I'm not going to be telling you guys of the secret checkpoint. Okay, now that's all our obby that I made a few days ago. Yeah, 2 or 3 days ago. And what time is it right now, guys? Jessica? What time is it right now?
I don't know.
It's time to watching the puzzle that I make. So actually, in yesterday, I made around 3 puzzles.
Wait.
What?
Secret checkpoint.
No, I'm not going to be telling you the secret checkpoint. Because I already know that you're going to be watch the video, and I think Stella going to be watching.
They already see one.
But the next one, you have to find all the golden checkpoint. Come on, teleport me. Don't find right now, you cheater. 2, only 2. But if you see all of them, I'm going to be chased. Cause you know, I don't like who cheating in the game.
How about to me?
Oh God, it's time for watching the puzzle, girls.
But this is, I found one.
It's only one. It said, did you guys really found it? It's the second secret checkpoint. Get your reward fossil egg. Oh, it's not fossil egg, sorry. Fossil pet. Sorry. Fossil pet. A fossil pet. You have to get all the checkpoint. I'm going to be changed. No worry, okay? I'm going to be changed later.
Wait.
Yeah. Come on.
I'm gonna find a surprise.
Now it's time to check the puzzle. Woo! Oh my god, look at this. So Jessica really won this puzzle. Oh, I forget. If you win the obby first, get the secret checkpoint first, you can pick your puzzle whatever you want. I mean, you can pick one puzzle whatever you want. It has fourth castle is very beautiful castle. Jessica, come on. We have to show the first castle is the rainbow castle. I don't know, it's like a rainbow. Just get in there. So it has like a blue, purple, pink, and green. So all the room, all the stair has 4. It all have the four floor, and it has many colors. Like, look at this. It's really a beautiful room ever. Wow. I'm not going to putting anything yet because next challenge we're going to be really more cool than this one. So this the really beautiful castle that I made in the first. I made this first. Okay, the second castle, Jessica. I don't know if Jessica going to get this castle first. I think Stella will going to get it or something else. But Jessica, I hope you get it. Let's go.
No, Stella, she want your cat. She want this castle. I want this castle. See?
I don't know, just get coming. So this castle is really comfortable. You don't need to have a stair, just like this, moving. See? Oh my god, it's so comfortable. Oh my god, I love this house so much.
And this one also has.
This is all the room are the 7th room. It called the 7th floor. And this is the Mickey Mouse stair. It's so hard to jump in. Honey. Okay, so we have to get going to the next one. So it's like the city castle. It's so beautiful, a dark blue castle. Very darking a lot. Oh my god, look at this. So this house is really hard to jump in here. But I'm getting a stair like this. It's really cute. It has, all the floor has 3 floors. And many floor has a lot of place. See? So it's really comfortable. Has a glass barrier. Yeah. Wait, Stella, come back. Okay, so I think Stella not come back. So let's get going to our video back. Leon, Jessica just kind of busy a little bit. So the last castle is called like the memory, all the rainbows color like this. It's really beautiful castle ever. Look how much is it? So but this house is kind of difficult walking around. It has like a stair room, I don't know. Okay guys, so I think this is our video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to click the subscribe button and the like button. Say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm gonna enjoy, and let's see you guys in the next video. Bye! Don't forget that it's the greatest story ever.